guys, Lane here from Maker's Lane. I recently built a hibachi grill with the bar around it. Well, the bar's missing something, and that's some bar stools. Let's get started. Okay, for these stools, I'm gonna go with a pretty simple design, nothing really that complicated. I should be able to bust a bunch of them out fairly quickly. All this has on it is, it basically has 4 legs, and then 8 supports, 4 down here, 4 up here, just to combine them all together. These will just be treated 2x4s, and then I ran dowels all the way through them just to keep them together. And then I stained this the same color that I stained everything else out there, and then painted this the same color. That's basically it. I mean, this is a pretty quick, easy outdoor bar stools. There's nothing really that fancy to them, but if you want something for fairly cheap, and as long as you have access to a welder, then these are a pretty easy project. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut all the metal up, and then once I get the metal cut up, then I'll start welding everything together, then we'll make the top, and then this project will be done. So let's go cut some metal pieces. Now that I got all these pieces cut, I can go ahead and start welding them up. Again, super simple design here. It's gonna have 4 of these on the bottom and then 4 of these smaller ones up top. And I'm just butt welding them all, and then I'll go back and grind all the welds to make them look nice. That's it for the welding. Let's go ahead and weld this up then. So now we got the frame built out of metal for the base. Now I'm going to start working on the top. I'm going to use 2x4. So with these 2x4s, they come with a rounded edge, and I want basically a flat surface all the way across other than the outside edge. So I'm going to go ahead and rip both sides off so that it's a straight edge, and then I'll go back to my router and route the edges. I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. They are 10 inches. So it's 12 by 12, yeah. So I'm going to rip this down to 4 inches and then cut 4 of them that are 12-inch pieces, so this platform is 12 by 12. And then you can see there's dowels going in here. Once I have them cut, I will glue them up and then run 3 dowels all the way through them, and then I'll let it dry. And then while it's drying, I will paint this and drill the holes for the screws to go into the bottom. And then once everything's dry, I can put it all together. So let's go ahead and rip this down then and get it to cut to size. So now we have this all done and painted. Top's all dry and ready to go. I'm gonna stain this real quick before I put it on here. Once I put it on here, I'm just gonna coat the whole thing in a coat of varnish. I'm gonna do that for the wood so that it doesn't swell up and come apart. And I do it for the metal so it doesn't rust. So it kind of is it's kind of a win-win type thing. All I'm gonna do to attach it is put some wood screws in the bottom of frame here that are gonna secure the top piece to this. And yeah, we'll have our finished product. All right, there we go. Now we can take these outside and test them out. All right, there you have it, stool. Not a whole lot to say about it. It functions as a stool and that's all it needs to do. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comment, like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. Until next time, I'm Lane from Maker's Lane. You guys have a good one.